Hey everybody, Andy from Framer here. Since the launch of Framer plugins just a few months ago, we now already have over 100 plugins available on the Framer marketplace, with more being added every week. You can explore all of them at framer.com/marketplace or inside of Framer through the plugins menu. So now that you know how to find them, let's take a look at 5 free and freemium plugins to help make building beautiful sites that much easier. Visual Electric is an AI image generator for designers, fine-tuned to deliver tasteful results. Like any image generator you might have tried before, you just start with a prompt. But you can also select here and choose from a bunch of different predefined styles to help guide your outputs. You can just click on an image to place it on the canvas, or if you've already got an area defined that you want to fill, select it, go to the Fill options, select Plugins, and a single click in the Visual Electric plugin will fill the frame. Visual Electric gives you 20 free credits to start with, so there's really no reason to not try. Give it a shot. Google Sheets. Now, it might not be as exciting as some of the other plugins, but it's definitely one of the most powerful. I know, you say, Framer, I'm a designer. I want nothing to do with spreadsheets of any sort near my work. What are you doing? It's a fair question. You don't need to yell. Let's answer it with an example. Let's say you've got a site for a pop-up restaurant where the menu is constantly changing. With Google Sheets connected to your Framer CMS, your head chef can just update the menu in a spreadsheet, and you can click the sync button. As easy as that. That's just one example. So when you start to think about all the different products that can integrate with Google Sheets, and then the fact that Google Sheets can integrate with the Framer CMS, suddenly an entire new universe opens up. And so that's why you might be interested in bringing Google Sheets a little bit closer to your design ecosystem. Sometimes it's the simple things in life that are the best, and Logofy might be one of them. You need a logo, you get a logo. You search it, you click it, it's there. It's not a fake transparent PNG with a checkerboard baked into the background. It's not even a PNG. It's infinitely scalable SVGs that are exactly what you're looking for. And if you've ever had to hunt for logos on the internet, you're gonna love using this. ShaderGradient is one of those things that you could spend an entire afternoon using and still not get tired of. It lets you create stunning multicolor gradients that are either animated or static, and comes with multiple levels of settings to give you exactly the effect you're looking for. Or, more commonly, surprise you with something you didn't even know you wanted. Totally free, loaded with adjustable parameters. Get it, use it, gradient it. So let's say you need some stock photos, but you don't want them to look like stock photos, and you don't want to really go super deep and start generating a bunch of stuff with AI. Lumi is the beautiful middle ground. Best of both worlds. Unique, great-looking AI images that have already been made and curated for you, available for free right inside Framer. So those are a handful of plugins for people to get started with using in Framer. What's your favorite plugin? What are you using the most? What should the world know about? Drop your comment below, and until next time, see you on the internet.